So, good morning everyone. Today is our first meeting, and for today's topic is for how to create a poster. And before we start, we have a mini game. The game is about guessing what kind of poster is this. So, I want you to take a look at the poster and then identify what kind of poster is this. And then this one, I want you to identify it again and then try to guess what kind of poster is this. Okay, and this one, what kind of poster is this? And then, so to make a poster, I want you to read. I want you to read at the handout. Yeah, read text on the handout first. I'll give you some time to read. Yeah, for the poster, the definition is a large notice with picture on it displayed in the public places. Parts of poster is heading, pictures, and message. The types of poster is infomercial, formative show, and etc. The elements to consider when designing a poster is goal, audience, imaginary, and color.
So in here we have color wheel. So its color represent element. For the example, yellow means positive, and then the positive one is sunlight, creativity, friendliness, confidence, and will. Something like that. You can read by yourself on your handout. Okay, next we have. In here we have a video about how to create a poster through Canva. You can access it by yourself, and we provide the link under the picture. You can watch it by yourself. We will give you some time to watch. Okay, next, pairing time. So in here you have to work in pairs with your friend and try to make your own poster. You can choose one theme as such as below. There are informational poster, formative, corporate poster, and subject poster. We will give you some time to make your own poster with your friend. Okay, now sharing time. You may share your poster to your friend, or you can email your poster through our email, kumpultugasbenglish@gmail.com. Okay, I think this is the end of our discussion. Thank you for watching. See you on the other video.
What?